Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some of the new things that I've picked up for spring summer 2022. Summers are here in full swing. It's really hot here in Delhi and I've picked up some things to keep myself cool and comfortable this season. So without further ado, let's get started. And before we move forward, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And all of the products that I'm showing to you today in this video are from Amazon. Links to all of them are going to be in the description box. And now let's get started. The very first thing that I'm going to show you is this crushed sari from Amazon. This is a bandhani print sari, as you will also see. It draped on me, but this is the bandhani print and it is a crushed fabric, all of it, so it drapes really comfortably. It's a very lightweight georgette sari and it drapes very comfortably. The pleats, they get set really nicely thanks to the crushed fabric. Also the pallu stays in place for a good amount of time without using any pins. It is such a comfortable thing to wear. I'm really taken by surprise by the fabric because I did not know that it will be such a nice experience wearing a crushed sari like this. I think I'm going to pick up more of these in more designs from Amazon. They have a lot of these available, and I picked up a grey one this time with a white blouse. I'll just show you the blouse. So this is the plain crushed blouse fabric that comes with the sari originally, but I have not had the time to get it stitched for now, so I worn it with another white blouse that I also picked up from Amazon. This is from this brand called Studio Shringar, and I've seen that they have a lot of ready-made blouses online. So it has this chikankari work on it. It is machine chikankari obviously, and some golden glitter print, and it has this piping, this border on the entire blouse on all the sides, including the neck, the armholes, and at the bottom. And it has a V-neck in the front and at the back. V-neck blouses are really in these days, and it is also a padded blouse, and this was somewhere around 800 to 900 rupees, and I think it is totally worth it when you pick up something like this and it fits you perfectly. I've picked up size 36 and I otherwise usually wear medium, and this blouse fits me perfectly. Like, I do not need to do anything with it, so that's a really good pick, and it will go with a lot of other things, a lot of other saris that I already have. That's why I wanted to pick up a white one, because I have a few more things to show you guys in subsequent videos where I'll be using this one and showing you more sari styles. Next is this chikankari kurta from this brand called Ada. Now in a previous video I have shown you a sari which I bought from the same brand, and I have tried that on. I worn that sari and you've seen how it looks on me, and I trust the brand that they do original authentic chikankari handmade product. This is all hand done chikankari. You can see the knots and the lines on the inside. So I picked up this kurta in a nice blue color this time. This is not a very light pastel blue, it's a nice rich blue, and it has this white embroidery in the front. On the sleeves, this is the front side with a heavy neck, like there's a lot of work till the neck here, and it also has a lot of work on the sides, like where where the slit is there, and it has a good amount of work on the back side also, so that lends a really nice look to the whole kurta. And along with that, I've picked up a white pants, like a new pair of pure white pants. This is from Lyra, and this is a really comfortable white pant that ends at your ankle, and it also has a pocket, so when you're wearing this with your kurtas, you can put your phone here in your pocket and roam about without any fuss. Really like the fabric on that one too. Next I'm going to show you a night suit that I picked up. It's not actually a night suit, it's more of a lounger. You can also wear it outside if you want, but I think I'm going to wear it at night. It is a kaftan dress like this, a kaftan top, Very, very comfortable, soft cotton, and the print is really nice and vibrant, and the stitching is nice. It has a bow here in the front, which is fixed. You can't really tighten or loosen it. It's just fixed in one place. It comes with its own matching set of pants, pajama. It is a pant with elastic on the back side, and it is also really, really comfortable to wear, and I think I will be wearing this a lot this summer because it is really hot. Next, I've picked up a pair of wide leg denim. This is a very soft denim fabric. It's not very thick denim, it's a soft denim fabric, and again very comfortable to wear. Like a lot of times I avoid wearing denims in summers because of the fact that they are very thick fabric, and it feels really uncomfortable sometimes. But this has a very nice soft thin fabric which your skin can easily breathe in, and it has this zipper on the side. It has a wide leg bottom, which is really in these days. So something like this is going to be again really cool for summers. And along with that, I've picked up two tops for myself. Now this is a nice mustard yellow. It's not a bright yellow, it's a mustard yellow. It will look good on all skin tones, and it has this shifili design, so all this cut work design throughout the body of the top, and it has a lining in the front and the back, and a very interesting neckline, rectangular neckline, which you can also, like, you can wear it normally or you can wear it like an off shoulder top. You can wear it in multiple ways. Really, really like it. Again, a soft comfortable cotton which is perfect for summers. Another top that I've picked up is this one. This is from the brand called Janasya, and I really love the brand. I have tried a lot of their clothes in the past, and this is another favorite of mine. It has these vertical stripes, so it will make you look taller, like it will give you an illusion of length, and there are these silver stripes running between two colors, multicolors, so you can wear it with a lot of types of bottoms. Like you can wear it with black, you can wear it with white, you can wear it with blue, you can wear it with a lot of options for bottoms, but it has a little bit of flare. So that's the top, and I really like it. Again, another very cool comfortable cotton which is perfect for this time of the year. Next, I have this cotton printed dress from Aurelia, and this is also a really cool comfortable fabric to wear, and it has this print. It looks a lot like a kurta, but the design is such that it isn't a kurta. Honestly, I've worn it and I don't think it'll work as a kurta with leggings, but if you want you can do that. But for me, I think I'll wear it as a dress only, and the sleeves can also be rolled up. It has a belt, and it has a very cute summery print. It is a nice mint green, pastel green with flowers all around on the body of the dress, and that's that. Really cute. The last thing that I have is a denim dress, and like I said, we all do want to wear denims during summers, but we don't because of the heat. But this again is a nice soft thin denim dress which I picked up for evenings, and it you can roll up the sleeves or roll them down depending on the look that you want, and it has these hooks on the side for the belt. It also comes with its own thin belt that you can wear to accentuate your waist, and it's a very comfortable dress to wear. I really like it. I think I'm going to wear this a lot during summers and also during winters, because once it starts getting a little cold, then also this dress will be perfect to wear. That was all about my summer haul for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful, and you will pick up some of the things that I've shared with you guys already in this video. The links to all of the products are going to be in the description box, and they are all available on Amazon on great discounts. All of these products are on great discounts. Amazon has these sales going on weekends also, so stay tuned for those too. Maybe you'll pick them up at even better prices, so save them in your wish list and make use of Amazon sales on weekends. And that's about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.